Hello, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice, and today we're going to be talking about, well, some of my thoughts on the journey of me growing out my beard again.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
So, a while ago, a mistake was made. Depending on how you're viewing this, if you want to take things literal or if you want to listen to the story and the lore of Fable and everything, the lore of it all is that I read a wrong spell that I shouldn't have. I was going through the wizard stuff and I read the wrong spell, and my beard that was there, gone, as if somebody took a razor and shaved my face. But yes, on the literal side, in my own personal life outside of Fable, there were some reasons why I needed to shave my face, and I was not necessarily happy about it. I was okay with it. I had to, move on. It is what it is. It's hair. It'll grow back. But I did have to shave my face. For as nice as it was to see what my face looked like underneath again, and I know that my wife appreciated baby smooth skin to have to herself, but I do miss my facial hair. And so I said, you know what? No, okay, I'm going to grow out my beard again. And those who were talking to me about that were like, all right, cool. We like how you look either way. So go ahead and grow out your facial hair. Well, I'm going through that process, and it's been about 2 weeks since I have last shaved. So the thing is, I've been taking note and kind of going through the process, and man, has it been difficult. I didn't remember growing my facial hair for the first time being this bad, because I'm trying to be so aware of the journey, the story. And I tell you what, that first week of August, trying to grow out my facial hair, it was scratchy, it was pokey, it was, it wasn't very noticeable. Maybe a couple of days in, I could start seeing something. My facial hair doesn't grow very fast, so this might be a pretty long journey. But running my hand across my face, it would scratch, it would kind of hurt. It was prickly underneath, and so if I don't know, if I was looking down at my phone or something, I'd scrape my chest. It was pokey. And I tell you what, the missus does not like pokey. If I try to kiss her on the cheek, she gets upset. I wonder if there's anybody else out there that has to deal with that. If there is, comment down below your experience with your significant other when it comes to having pokey and scratchy facial hair. Now, when we get to week 2, this was a week that I had just recently finished, so we're kind of getting there to present day. I tell you what, I'm hitting that point that a lot of adventurers get when they have to decide about continuing or shaving, because I don't like how I look right now. If I'm being honest, I don't like how I look. I think I look scraggly. I think I look kind of gross. It itches a lot. I'm still using beard oil. I'm trying to keep it healthy. I'm trying to maintain it, but it's still pretty itchy. I'm a teacher, and so I'm supposed to dress and look professional to the best of my ability. And so, I come into work dressed nice, but my facial hair is kind of growing out and I look scraggly and not so good. So I can't help sometimes but feel tempted about taking a trimmer and, trimming up the neckline. But I know if I do that, then the process of growing out the long beard isn't going to look so good because of the hair that's missing behind it. So I have to suffer through it. I got to suffer through some of those weeks that come with itching. Even if I'm using oil, it's not going to get rid of all of it. It's only going to reduce it. So far, that's been the journey. Week 1, pokey and scratchy. Sounds like cartoon characters. The week 2 is turning into scraggly, not so attractive looking, and it's pretty itchy. So let me know if you have any encouragement, or let me know what your journey is like if you are currently growing out your facial hair again, or if you can recall back to when you were dealing with that kind of struggle. Some of my hopes for the weeks to come, I can't plan things out weekly. But I'm hoping I can get to a point soon where I can at least have my mustache fill in a little bit more, because right now I feel like a high schooler who can't grow anything on there. It's kind of gross. But also get to a point where I can start using balm, because I know that's really good for my facial hair at the beginning of the day. I'm trying to use a little bit of butter at night to help condition it. But you know what? Everybody's got a different story. Maybe I shouldn't be using butter because you say I shouldn't use it, but right now I'm using it. So, adventures, I'm hoping to keep you updated weekly, whether it's through YouTube or even like on TikTok and Facebook. If you're interested in seeing a growth journey when it comes to my beard, then, please like the video, even consider subscribing, tolling the bell, so you'll get notifications about when we're posting weekly. This is a fun process for me already. It's kind of irritating, like I've kind of hinted at, but I am very excited for the future and to see, my beard at its full length again. Well, thank you very much for watching the video. We hope that you do enjoy the rest of your day, and may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful bearded day.